Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be using our Ninja Foodi pressure cooker to make a really easy steamed broccoli recipe. So you ready? Let's get into this. For this recipe we're going to need a bag of broccoli florets, some chicken stock, a little salt, ground pepper, granulated garlic, and some cornstarch for later. Remember, if you want to make this recipe, all the ingredients and measurements are down in the description area of the video, along with the calorie count, the protein, the fat, and the carbs. First, we're going to take a mixing bowl and pour in our chicken stock. Next, we'll add in the salt, the granulated garlic, the pepper, and then we're going to use a whisk to stir this up. Don't put the cornstarch in here. That's not going to be used until later. Next, we're going to open up our pressure cooker. We're going to leave in the crisping plate, pour in our broccoli, and pour our mixed ingredients in over the top. Next, we'll go ahead and close this up, turn on our pressure cooker, and go to your steam option. How long you do this for really depends on how soft you want your vegetables to be. Some people like it a little bit on the crunchy side, some like it cooked really soft. What I recommend doing is setting your time high and then just checking on it every so often just to make sure you're not overcooking it. We're gonna set ours for 18 minutes and see how it goes. Once you got your time set, go ahead and start it up. By the way, if this is your first time here and you want to learn some cool new recipes, get some great cooking tips and tricks and all sorts of other kitchen related things, then start now by subscribing to the channel and clicking the notification bell so you never miss a thing.
3 days later.
And once you're done steaming, go ahead and open your steamer, remove all your broccoli, remove your crisping plate, and then we're going to take this cornstarch and pour it into our remaining chicken stock. Go ahead and stir this really good to thicken it up. You're going to want to do this quickly because you're going to want to do it while the chicken stock is still really hot. Don't worry if you let this cool too much though, because you can always thicken it up in the microwave. And once you mix in that cornstarch, this is about the consistency that you want. You want it to be nice and thick, just like this. Once that's done, go ahead and pour it into your vegetables. Stir it around, being careful not to smash up all your vegetables, and you'll be ready to serve. If you'd like to learn a little bit more about Joe's Phenomenal, you can watch a couple more videos, or you can check us out online at joesphenomenal.com. Well, that was really easy. That's one less excuse not to eat your vegetables now. I thank you so much for taking a little bit of time out of your busy day to watch this video. It really means a lot to me, and I can't wait to see you back again here really soon. So until that time, I'm Joe, and I hope you have a phenomenal day. Take it easy.